case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A dispute over a punch press used in the manufacturing business of Vitco Industries led to a legal battle in the Supreme Court of Indiana in 2011. Gibraltar Financial Corp claimed a perfected security interest in Vitco's property, including the equipment. However, other parties argued that the press was leased to Vitco by Key Equipment Finance, Inc., and thus not part of Vitco's property. Gibraltar Financial Corp sought legal action against Prestige Equipment Corp, who acquired the press subject to Gibraltar's security interest to recover its value. The court found factual inconsistencies regarding whether the press was leased or not. In December 2004, Vitco had entered into a transaction with Key Equipment Finance, receiving a lease agreement allowing them to use the punch press in exchange for $243,000 paid by the finance company. The case remained unresolved as the court reversed the trial court's decision and remanded it for further proceedings. The court determined that the existing facts were insufficient to grant summary judgment to the defendants, necessitating additional evidence to establish the lease's nature and whether it created a security interest or not.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.